Today, we are going to learn a powerful breathing technique to instantly calm your anxiety or any sort of performative tensions. Namaskar. Welcome to Get Inspired Spiritually, a place to find yourself and awaken spiritually. I'm your host, Yadunandan. Think of a situation where you are about to attend an interview. You have immense anxiety, your hands are shaking, you are at the edge of entering a state of neurosis. You're worried about how am I going to perform in the interview. Your heart is beating very fast. At that time, you don't know how to control your anxiety. This technique is going to calm your mind instantly, and any sort of performative tension, it will be alleviated, and it enables you to focus in the present moment, to bring back your focus to the present moment. This technique is also very useful to calm your mind, and it assists in sleeping well also. Here it goes. In our previous videos, we had taught you that Kundalini breathing, which was about inhalation and exhalation, which included Puraka and Rechaka and also Kumbhaka as well. This technique is a little bit similar to Antarika Kumbhaka Pranayama. You can visit that. We can watch that video to learn a detailed technique of Antarika Kumbhaka Pranayama. But for now, this will help you to instantly calm your mind, which we are going to tell you. Whenever you this technique, it's like if you are anxiety, say like we taught you instantly calm your mind whenever you are in isolation or working from home or in a closed enclosed situation where no one's present. But this technique you can practice it even in public also. Suppose if you are sitting in an interview room or you are about to take your monthly review with your manager, this will definitely help you. So this technique is like this. See, whenever you before you start this technique, please exhale off all the air in your lungs. Now inhale, hold your breath for starting from 5 seconds and count 5. Okay, and then you fully exhale off the lungs. Empty off your lungs. You can do this slowly also. Like we can do it slowly also. Like deep inhale, fill off your lungs. Hold. Empty of all the lungs. You can count it up to 5 initially. I counted till 5. Then you can increase. Suppose even if still your mind is not calm, you can increase the count up to 8 and then 10. You can do it up to 10 now, right? Exhale, inhale. Fill up your lungs. Hold it up to 10. Count. Exhale off. Empty off your lungs. You can do this silently also. So, and you can do it anywhere. The logic behind this is, the technique is basically about, see, whenever you are worried, whenever you are anxious or you are sad, you can observe that your heartbeat rises and you require a lot more oxygen, and you inhale a lot and inhale quickly and exhale quickly. So this results in loss of the breath counts, what we call that as ayush. Like totally we have about 74 lakhs 74,000 breaths. This is actually the logic behind Kumbhaka Pranayama, which we have explained it in detail in Antarika Kumbhaka Pranayama. So this way it works, and this can instantly calm your mind, and you can any sort of performative anxiety or anything, your mind will be calm, and you will be able to better focus on the present moment and act accordingly.